Hi, my name is Jessica, one of the lactation consultants at WIC. Today I will show you how to put together the Symphony breast pump and how to get started. Let's take a look at the pieces that come with the kit. Get the white rubber cover and place it flat on the yellow valve. It's important to make sure it's laying flat or the suction won't work. Put the flange onto the piece. Use the correct flange that feels comfortable to you. Insert the tubing in the connector. Tubing has two ends. Circle ends go on the bottle connector. Repeat process with other bottle.
Now turn pump around. Plug in short cable into the back.
Open the lid of the pump by pressing the oval button. Lift the handle. Position cap firmly. Close lid and center the tubing. Turn pump on. Place the vacuum to the right and increase suction as needed. Thank you for watching this video. For more help with breastfeeding, reach out to your local WIC office.